Hey everybody, this is Jack, my fellow astrophotographer. This is a part 4 videos of Zero Beginners. In this video, we're going to show you how to sharpen your deep sky image and denoising your image. Before we do some processing tutorial first, we're going to do some sharpening first, and now we'll do some denoising. Once you finish stretching your deep space image that I'm using Orion Nebula, and I'm going to show you how to sharpening your image when it has different layers. First, you want to go to image processing, go to filters. You should click right here. This is for sharpening your deep sky image. It has 6 different layers. Layer 1, layer 6, it lowers the hydrogen. Wait, what in the world? Layer 5 is for adding a big shadow. Layer 4 is for covering the stars from the shadow. Layer 3 is for removing your shadows of your stars for the smaller part. Layer 2 is for adding more details. And layer 1 is for adding a perfect details. You can see the difference. The little dark dust got more details and sharpened. This is the difference of look without the details, with adding sharpness. And let's make it like 250. So this is how you clear out the little circle dust of a sharpening stars, and you could lower the sharpening details right here, and you can see the little difference. And here's before, after, before, after, before, and after. Since we finished for sharpening your deep sky image, now we're going to move on to the denoising image. I will be using a raw data photo of the Pleiades for denoising my image. Go into filters and click right here. So this rather showed up, and it has denoising colors, and of course removes salt and peppers noise. If you look closely here, you can see there's lots of noise. This was only 15 minutes of exposure, so I'm trying to get 1.5 hours of exposures. And now let's go ahead and begin to denoising your image. Click apply. Okay, this looks a little bit weird. That looks normal and looks brighter. Let's take a closer look. Here's before, after, before, after, before, and after. Looks a little bit different and weird. So this is it of the tutorials of sharpening and denoising. So this is how to sharpening your deep sky image and denoising image, when it has 2 different ways. For the part 5 videos, we're going to be using HDR for the last 0 beginners of tutorials. And thank you so much for watching my part 4 videos of 0 beginners, and I will see you in the next YouTube videos.